What happens when we reuse the cook oil? We all love that crispy and fried foods. People often keep the remaining oil after cooking the fried food. This oil is often used to make the other things. This is done to save the oil from getting wasted. But is it right to do it so? Each and everyone must know that reusing cooking oil can be harmful. Reused oil can cause serious diseases. Let's see how with the help of QuickSolve. Studies says that reheating cooking oil releases toxic substances and increases free radicals in the body. This may occur swelling in the body and the risk of various diseases increases. According to the guidelines of FSSAI, Food Safety and Standard Authority of India, reused oil should not be used again. Let's see the science behind it. When you heat oil, its molecules start moving faster and faster. This makes oil hotter. If you keep heating it, the oil can reach its smoking point. The smoking point is the temperature at which the oil starts to break down and smoke. This breakdown process creates harmful chemicals called aldehydes and free radicals. That's why the oil should be heated till it reaches the smoke point. So, why shouldn't you reuse oil? 1. Flavor. Reused oil can start to taste bad due to the breakdown of fatty acids into compounds like acrolein, which has pungent odor and bitter taste. 2. Smoke point. Repeated heating lowers the oil's smoking point and increases the risk of smoke and fire. 3. Health concern. The harmful compounds like aldehydes and free radicals can increase your risk of chronic diseases like heart diseases and cancer. If the oil is used again, the amount of trans fat increases, and this also increases the level of cholesterol in the body. In food, reactions like moistures, atmospheric oxygen, high temperatures, hydrolysis, oxidation and polymerization occurs. This reaction caused by reuse of oil, fatty acids or radicals creates diglycerides and triglycerides. This changes their chemical structure and revises it. It is classified under total polar compound test, which is widely accepted test to check the safety of cooking oil used for preparation of food. It shows that when oil gets heated again and again, the formulation creates lipids to settle in the body and causes atherosclerosis. To sum it up, reusing oil can affect the taste of food, increase the risk of fire, and potentially harm your health. It's best to use fresh oil for cooking. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more QuickSolve information.